All right, we're adding our gingerbread peeps to our pot with our stick of butter, and we're letting that butter melt. And these are actually gingerbread flavored as well. And if that wasn't enough gingerbread, we have our gingerbread cookie mix. This is just from the Dollar Tree. It's a smaller package. And we're gonna add this whole entire package of our gingerbread cookie mix for maximum gingerbread flavor. Yum. I have my Christmas spatula, and it is time to start mixing this all together with that butter. Get those peeps nice and melted down for this delicious no-bake holiday treat. We want to make sure that flour gets cooked up in our pot. Oh, it looks so yummy already, and it smells like a gingerbread house in here. So let's go ahead and mix this until this is all melted and well combined. All right, this is nice and melted, and it looks like the perfect gingerbread color. Leave that right there and come in with our Rice Krispie cereal to make gingerbread or Rice Krispie treats. Oh. All right, we'll start off with that much. Oops, made a little mess. If you're not making a mess in the kitchen,
you're not doing it right.
All right, and we're gonna mix in our Rice Krispies. Oh, it smells so yummy. Just make sure that gooey marshmallow with that butter gets nicely tossed with our Rice Krispie cereal. Oh, all right, we're gonna get this nice and mixed. All right, this is all nice and mixed. I have a greased lasagna pan here. This is heavy, but we're gonna go ahead and transfer our gingerbread Rice Krispies right into our pan so that we can get it nice and hardened and ready for our special decoration. All right, we got all that in our pan, and I saved my butter wrapper so that we can use it to smush down our gingerbread Rice Krispies. It's my favorite little hack because look, it doesn't stick to our butter wrapper. So let's quickly get this nice and packed down. It's nice and warm. It's gonna be so cozy, so delicious. But first, we just gotta get this nice and evenly packed in there so that we got a nice flat surface to work with. All right, I think that is good enough. So we're gonna pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. All right, these have completely chilled. And now for the fun part. I have my gingerbread man cookie cutter, and we are going to cut our Rice Krispies with our cookie cutter. All right, make sure that gets all the way through. And then we're gonna pull out our cookie cutter and our perfectly cut gingerbread man. All right, let's go ahead and cut out the rest of our gingerbread men. Now we have to decorate our gingerbread men. So I'm just using some cookie icing in white. This is where your kids can jump in and help, but we are going to make these super fun. Just some swirls and some buttons will go a long way. All right, these are ready to enjoy. They're so stinking cute, almost too cute to eat.
Are they good?
I love Rice Krispie treats. You have to try these.